In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a seller on Dhgate using the site's seller search feature. If you're trying to find a specific storefront on Dhgate, the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. The key is to make sure you're searching for the seller itself rather than for individual products, because the website often defaults to item-based results. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly switch that setting and get to the right place. To begin, go to dhgate.com and look at the very top section of the page. There, you'll find the main search box, which is the master web search field used for browsing the platform. This is the same area many people use to search for products, so it's important to pay attention to the settings attached to it before you continue. Once you've located that top search box, click into it and type the exact title name of the storefront or merchant business you want to find. Accuracy matters here, so try to enter the name exactly as it appears. If the seller name is misspelled or incomplete, the results may not display the correct profile, or you may see unrelated listings instead. After entering the seller's storefront name, look for the contextual drop-down menu connected to the search field. On Dhgate, this setting is commonly set to items by default, which means the website will search for products instead of merchants. Open that drop-down menu and change the selection from items to sellers. This step is essential because it tells the platform to search specifically for seller profiles rather than merchandise. With the correct seller name entered and the search category switched to sellers, you're ready to move forward. Press the enter key on your keyboard to run the search. Dhgate will then load the matching seller profile options based on the name you entered. At that point, you can review the results and identify the correct storefront from the list that appears. If needed, double-check the spelling of the seller name and repeat the search if the results don't look right the first time. That's all